Hello children, in this video we are going to study general knowledge lesson number 5 more about plants. Children, you have to read carefully and write the name of the plants with the help of clues given in the pictures. So first question is, the dash is the plant that is usually found near the sea. The plants that is usually found near the sea. The plants that are grown near the sea are coconut palms. Now children, second question is, the dash is the kind of grass that grows very fast. It is the favorite food of pandas. Children, the favorite food of pandas is bamboo. Bamboo plants. Now children, dash is an edible fungus. It has no chlorophyll and cannot produce its own food. So from these, without green color, which picture is there children? See this mushroom. So it is mushroom. It is not able to produce its own food. It has no chlorophyll. That's why it is not green in color. So this is mushroom. Now children, dash are minute floating organisms found in oceans, sea, ponds and lakes. What are those? Those are planktons children. See children, these are minute floating organisms found in oceans, sea, ponds and lakes. Now children, dash are the oldest living plants on the earth. Those are ferns. They are there from the time of dinosaurs children. Now children, cricket bats are made from the long slender branches of the dash tree. Cricket bats are usually made from the branches of the dash tree. What is the name of that tree? Willow tree. Now children, a thick and spiny leaves of dash tree make it difficult to climb even for monkey. So among these, this is that plant children on which monkeys find difficult to climb. So the plant name of this plant is monkey puzzle. Now children, the next, the dash is very juicy stick. When matured, sugar and jaggery are prepared from its juice. So which plant is it? From which plant we get sugar and jaggery? It is sugarcane. Now children, the next question is, the dash is grown mainly in Arabian countries. It bears golden brown fruits that are very sweet. Which plant it is? Yes, date palm. We eat that dates, no children. So these are date palms tree. Now children, the longest leaves belong to the dash plant. It is raffia palm. Now children, our next topic is dry fruits and nuts. Dry fruits and nuts are not just delicious but a powerhouse of nutrition. Complete the sentences with the names of the dry fruits or nuts. Use the pictures as a clue. Now children, these pictures are very well known to you. So we have to write the name. Dash are obtained by drying grapes and are a good source of energy and protein. They are also used as snacks and in baked or cooked product. What is the name of this? It is raisins. Okay children, now the next. Dash are rich in carbohydrates and are an excellent source of dietary fiber. This dried fruit is mostly used in sweet and savory recipes. It is, what is this? Fig. Now children, this is very well known to all of us. Dash are excellent for the brain and skin. This crunchy nut is used in most of the Indian sweets. It is very effective in maintaining hemoglobin level. What is the name? Almonds. Now children, this one. Dash are regarded as brain food because their shell is shaped like a human skull and the kernel resembles a brain. This nut is a great snack and is often used in waffles and cakes. These are walnuts. See children, its outer shape kernel is resembling as brain, isn't it? And this kernel is resembling like brain and the shell is shaped like a human skull. So these nuts are called as walnuts. Now children, dash are green and purple colored nuts. They are enclosed in the big colored shell and are an excellent source of vitamin B6. They are also referred to as smiling pistachio by the people of the Middle East. What are these? Pistachios. Okay children? Okay, now in the next video we will see chapter number 7 onwards. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.